Welcome. If you want to stay updated every time your friends or contacts do something on Roblox, enabling notifications for contacts is a must, especially with the latest update for the Roblox web experience on PC. Today, I'll guide you through each step to make sure you never miss a moment. First, open your preferred browser and head to the Roblox website. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to all your account settings. Click on the gear icon to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will bring you to your main account settings page. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll notice several options. Click on Notifications. This section is where you can customize exactly what you get notified about on Roblox. Inside the Notifications menu, look for the section labeled Mobile Push Notifications. Even though you're on PC, this is where Roblox now manages most notification preferences, including those for contacts. Click on the arrow or expand button next to Mobile Push Notifications to reveal more options. Now, you'll see a list of notification types. Find the one labeled Contacts. This covers updates from your friends and people you've added on Roblox. To enable notifications for contacts, simply toggle the switch next to Contacts so it turns on. There's no need to save. Roblox updates your preferences instantly. That's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for your contacts on Roblox using the web version on your PC. Now, whenever your friends send you a request, message you, or interact with you, you'll get notified right away. If you ever want to adjust these settings again, just repeat these steps. Keeping your notifications tailored means you're always connected to what matters most in your Roblox community. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your Roblox adventures with your friends.